Welcome viewers, Dr. JWA, Theologist, Australia. Covert narcissistic abuse, the truth they hide. When you realise the parasite was starving. Have you ever wondered when something that once controlled your entire inner world quietly began losing its power? There was no victory, no final confrontation, no morning when everything suddenly became clear. Instead, something stopped happening. You stopped checking. You stopped rehearsing. Stopped wondering what they would think about decisions they were no longer part of. And at first, you barely noticed. And that was the strange part. For years, the invisible architecture had survived because your attention kept returning to it. And every unanswered question fed it. Every imagined conversation kept another corridor open. Every memory revisited became another day surrendered to something already gone. Then ordinary life began interrupting the ritual. Work needed doing. Someone made you laugh. A forgotten interest returned. An afternoon passed without explanation. Then another. And the parasite was still there. But it was starving. Not because you defeated it, because you stopped feeding it chronologically. The cathedral began to empty. The labyrinth forgot your footsteps. The mirror stopped asking permission to recognize you. Even the echo weakened when nobody answered. And slowly something almost frightening became possible. You could remember without returning. You could breathe without reopening the door. You could acknowledge what happened without allowing it to occupy the next thing that happened. And that was when the Chronology finally revealed the truth. The parasite had never owned your future unless you allowed it to. It survived by consuming your attention into the present, and every ordinary moment you reclaimed deprived it of another place to live. One day you would remember everything without losing the day remembering it. And that was not forgetting, that was freedom, viewers, because the parasite began dying the moment your past could no longer feed upon your present. And that's why Covert Narcissistic Abuse Australia matters.